Right guys, what you see behind me right there, well that's the Matterhorn. I'm gonna fly my drone there.
Oh, the top barrel is there!
Way to chill, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we're on our way to Matterhorn, Tash, and then ultimately to Zermatt. The roads just keep getting better and better, guys. We just went on a little alpine road up the mountain. We are about 980 meters above sea, as you can see there. Yeah, enjoying the drive. Alright folks, as mentioned, we are here waiting for a train that will take us to Zermatt. As you can see, these are all the cars lined up. We are first in line for the third train. People walk around, I think they're gonna go toilet or whatever, but yeah, beautiful views all around here. Yep, there we go. Yeah, just gonna wait for the train, guys. Stay tuned, we're climbing. Alright guys, we're now on the move on the train, as you can see. Wow, this is pretty cool. On the way to Zermatt, to Matterhorn Tash. Going pretty at speed right now. Yes. About to enter a tunnel. Family here. Whoa, dude. Woohoo! We're like at Disneyland. Awesome. Oh my god. And just like that, we are now on the other side, about to drive off and complete our journey to Zermatt Tash train station. Nice and sunny still. Nice. Alright guys, finally made it to Matterhorn Tash. So this is where you would leave your car and then you'll take another cable car, another train to Zermatt. Alright. Guess we're gonna go to level 2. Alright guys, here we are, finally reached Matterhorn Tash, which is the parking for Zermatt. Left our car at the multi-story car park, and this is the train that we're about to get. Took quite a while to get here, but I guess it's worth the drive. From the train that we were on with the cars, took at least another hour or so, but I guess that's because of roadworks. Alright guys, welcome to Zermatt, a car-free city / town. Goodbye you annoying kids. Kidding, here we go. Matterhorn. So, these are the hotel bus. No, we need to get the cable car. Well, let me just, wow, Zermatt. Huh? Here we go. Full of horses, full of electric cars. Here we go. Zermatt. Can we just take a picture first, please? Oh. Ristorante, era pizzeria. Get my phone. So as you guys can see, this is like their high street. Just point the camera this way so you guys can sort of see. Here we go, welcome to Zermatt. interesting. Definitely no cars inside, just people, horses, an electric carriage. So I actually need to find this way. I actually need to find the cable car ride. So I'm gonna put my phone down 1 minute. So I'm gonna put the camera down 1 minute, and we'll head that way. It's either a walking distance or we can take the electric taxi. This hill, already out of breath. Zermatt. 6 minutes, 0.3 miles. Okay guys, finally got tickets. We're now going to board the gondolas. Get my ticket first. Scan it. Scared?
Matterhorn.
I'm gonna put the camera down to shoot from my iPhone.
That's the Toblerone.
We're going up to the Matterhorn, so here comes nothing. If you're afraid of heights, look away now, because I'm scared of heights.
It's gonna go fast in 3, 2, 1. There we go! Oh my god.
Oh no. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. This is what she said, but it was windy.
Oh man.
Don't make any moves. Sorry.
Oh my god.
You know, since sitting down, I haven't moved. I haven't moved since I sat down. I'm just placed myself here. Oh no, stop shaking, please.
Can we walk down?
Holy sh!
Neng! Yan!
I understand why she would be crying.
Did you
What?
Did you what?
Did you what? Did I what? Are you live, Dad? Oh my gosh, he's live.
The face of Jude is like... Oh my god!
Don't nobody move, please. I beg of you, do not fucking move. Okay, no, when it's I see ground like this, I say what it is. But when I don't see nothing,
I'm just sat like this. I'm gonna be sat
Look
like
at
this.
them, the skiing, that tao!
ooh, oh sick,
Look,
skiers. Wow, I want to learn how to ski now.
I think mas malaki dun sa second, right?
Where's the train? Hanggang dito na lang ako man, hindi na ako punta all the way to the top. Where's the lintas to stick? I don't care. No, I don't care.
Mababa nga eh. But this is amazing adventure. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
I can't even get anything from my phone. I don't have any pictures.
I like your fitness.
I'm gonna
Huh?
I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna take some pictures for my phone now. Alright guys, so we've now reached like the first stop, whatever that is. This is for the skiers mainly. We're gonna go all the way to the top so we stay outdoors. We'll stay aboard, I mean. So as you can see here, there's people queuing up to get on the gondolas. Please shut my door now, please, because I'm scared of heights. Alright, and here goes nothing once again, where I'll just freeze like a statue. But these, it's just when it's a little bit windy that it's well, what can I say? It shakes a bit, you know. It's here we go. Because when you're watching it on the movies or in the video after, it's quite low, but the initial bit is quite high. So I try not.
Auntie, as if
Because
you're
it's
watching,
swaying.
tell mom.
Try to just relax and not look down.
Mom, stop.
So I'm doing her best to act like she's not scared, but I know she is. Well, now you're quiet. What's happened?
Yeah, I know, it's going up. Mom, stop. Mom.
Stop it! God's sake, this woman is crazy.
Enjoy.
She just turned 55 and she's like, oh, YOLO.
56.
Way to chill, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's too much. Let's get some B-rolls.
Oh, look, oh, there's something not to call.
Tell Mom to chill.
All the way up!
It's...
Sabi nga pumababa ng pag titignan mo yung sa baba, mababa, hindi ka matatakot dyan.
Yeah, this is fine, but when it's like, look behind you, like, what? Yeah, exactly, look behind. I don't like the swing.
The smart to big swing.
Hey, Jordan!
Dancing.
Oh shit.
You're distracting yourself.
Uy,
What?
skiing.
I don't give a crap about skiing right now, man. Stay quiet.
Mababa naman, no?
Yeah, keep telling that to yourself, B.
Ayan, no?
Stop moving! Why the fuck are we swaying?
Uy, Susuni. Ayoko na eh.
Should have gone to Jungfrau. That's a train. Oh.
Oh, this is too high.
Mababa yan, tignan mo niya sa may ano kasi, huwag kang tumingin sa likod mo. Sa harap dyan, no? Dito na lang tayo, ha?
Ano ba yung up? Sorry.
Dito na lang, tama na to.
I'll go to the restaurant and that's it. Ah, I'm sweating all over. My ass off.
Apat.
It's not the altitude sickness that'll get you here. It's the height, man. Like, it's the sheer height. I mean, it's beautiful. But
You too.
bloody hell.
Oh God.
Hello.
Shit, I'm not even looking at mommy in that
Shit.
direction because it's so high.
Wala pa yung restaurant?
Ayoko na. Alright.
We can't get off here. We can't. These are for the skiers. We're going all the way to the top, son.
Wala pa ba?
Mm-hmm. Look, we are 7,625 feet.
Sana may kasama tayo para mas,
Ano?
Yeah, you want to join us?
We can take a break, calm our hearts before we ascend higher.
Oh, it's nice.
Mababa.
Oh, the Toblerone is there.
Oh, wow.
Look, Neng. The Toblerone. May Toblerone.
Name, there's a Toblerone over there.
Come on, Neng. Ginawa mo Toblerone eh.
Oh, nice. Okay, nice.
Don't sway, please, 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 please. When the rhythm starts to sway. Go with the flow, go with the flow. That's it for the ascent. I think you've had enough of my face and being scared. I'm gonna switch this off and switch on when we're right all the way to the top.
Itutuman na to Toblerone.
Alright, this is our last stop. Everyone wants to get off. Come on, I don't want to be down there yet. Let's go, Mom. Alright. Glacier Paradise is here. Hindi, dapat dito tayo, nakisiksik. So even with 9,000 feet, we're still gonna climb higher. Amazing. Oh, we're in the Crystal Ride Palace now. At least Crystal Palace? Crystal Ride, whatever the space is called. I will put a description. At least we're not alone. There's plenty of people here. Skiers mainly. It's a lot wider sort of carriage. Up to the Glacier Paradise.
Matterhorn Glacier Paradise in Zermatt.
Talagamot na nagtuturo. guys, unfortunately I wasn't allowed to fly my drone here, but I just wanted to feel what fresh snow is like, you know, being that we're up here, just to see and feel. Snow is very powdery like, pretty awesome. That. Here are the skiers going down. So guys, I think it's best to say that altitude sickness got the best of us. They didn't go all the way up there, I did. Managed to fly the drone as well. And all you could hear is breathing, heavy breathing. Yeah, you know, not to say that I didn't get altitude sickness, I still have it now. We're on the way down, which is good. Enjoy the B-rolls. Huh. It's okay. Hold your roll. The mountain, Matterhorn. So, yeah, take a bite down there. Yeah, a small one. It's very small. Pink.
Kakamping, oh no.